Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're going to be answering a question, very important question about Proton Mail. We want to know if it's secure enough for business secrets. When your business's most sensitive data is on the line, is Proton Mail just a privacy tool or a true business grade vault? Let's break down its security, its strengths, and its one critical limitation. Let's start with the foundation, which is end-to-end encryption. This is the core of Proton Mail security. When you send an email to another Proton Mail user, the message is encrypted on your device and only decrypted on theirs. Not even Proton can read it. This is a gold standard for protecting content from interception. For non-Proton users, you can send password-protected encrypted emails. The recipient gets a link to a secure portal. This is strong, but it's less seamless than internal communication. Security and privacy advantages for businesses. Beyond encryption, Proton Mail is built on principles that protect business secrets. 1. Swiss-based. Proton is headquartered in Switzerland, a country with some of the world's strongest privacy laws outside of US and EU surveillance alliances. 2. Zero-access encryption. This means your inbox is encrypted with keys that Proton doesn't have. They can't access your emails to scan them for data or ads. 3. Open source. Its core code is publicly auditable. It is publicly auditable. Security experts worldwide can and do check for hidden vulnerabilities or backdoors. This transparency builds immense trust. Now let's look at the critical limitation, which is metadata. While Proton Mail encrypts the contents of your emails, it cannot fully hide the metadata. This means, while the subject and body of an email between Proton users are encrypted, the sender and recipient's email addresses, the IP address used at login, and the timestamp are still visible to Proton. For most business use, this is acceptable. But if you need to conceal who is talking to who from any potential legal request, this is a limitation. So what's the verdict? Is it secure enough for business secrets? The answer is yes. For the vast majority of companies, it's exceptionally strong against data breaches, malicious hackers, and unauthorized access. It protects the content of your communications. But if your threat model includes highly sophisticated state-level adversaries who may legally compel Proton to hand over metadata, you must be aware of that exposure. For most, Proton Mail, especially its business plans with custom domain support, is a powerful and highly secure choice for protecting your company's most valuable information. Check out the business plans on Proton Mail. Hope you found this video helpful.